Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. If you are new to this video and to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're an old member, guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, and I love you. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm super excited about it because I'm on lockdown, which means I'm in the house, and I get to show you how I get my skin done. So let's dig into it, shall we? So the first thing I do is I steam my face, which I already have my water boiled completely 100% hot, 100% boiled. Okay, you need a steamer or a hot water. That's the first thing I need. If you don't have a steamer, don't worry, just boil your hot water, put it into a container. I'm going to show you mine. So I put my water in a container like this. This is hot water in a container like this. You can put it in a container. The reason I put it in this container is because it's very small. I can get my head over it and voila. So I'm going to cover my head with a towel and then bend over the container and allow the hot water to steam my face for 10 minutes. You have to sweat. See that there? See? So I'm going to cover my head again. It's been just 5 minutes or I think so. So I'm going to cover my head for another 5 more minutes. Now you see the way I'm sweating. It feels so good when you sweat like this. Okay, so after 10 minutes you're going to realize that your face is so red. You see all the pores. The reason why you steam your face, you want the pores on your face to open up. Okay, when the pores open up, every treatment, every scrub, every cleanser, every toner you're going to use on your face go straight into the skin and work from within and work on your skin properly. So you don't have to skip this part if you're doing a complete facial treatment. Okay, step number 2 is exfoliating. Now what you're going to do next is exfoliating, as I said earlier. So what I do is to clean my face. When I'm done cleaning my face, I'm going to use my Tea Tree Daily Use Cleansing Facial Scrub for clean, healthy skin. That is it, baby, and it is suitable for all skin types. Okay, it has been formulated to gently cleanse and stimulate your skin by helping to remove excess oil, and that is what exfoliating does. It removes excess oil and dead skin cells in order to reveal a healthier looking complexion. And this particular one is good for all skin types. So I just rub it in a circular motion all over my face. So now the next step is to clean your face. So I'm going to wash off the scrub from my face using warm water, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I went to wash off the scrub from my face, and look at how my face is looking very, not white, but it's looking very clean. I don't know if you can see that, but from here it's looking very clean. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply a mask again. As I told you earlier, today is a very deep it's one of the days I don't usually scrub my face or exfoliate and all that. So I do it once in a week, and I do a complete skincare. As you can see, my face is looking very clean right now. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me just go and apply my facial mask. I'm going to use my Wokali white black mask whitening complex. This baby here. Yes, this is how it looks like. It's a deep cleansing peel off mask. It says whitening and rejuvenating system. So that is what I'm going to use to apply on my T-zone, not all over my face because I already exfoliated and I don't want to look so white. So I'm just going to apply it on my T-zone. And what I like to use is a spoon. I use a small You see that very tiny little spoon. The back of the spoon, please, the back of the spoon, not the inside, the back of the spoon.
Like the person within, no, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame. Oh, do is say goodbye. Refuse to question why.
You can use a brush, a foundation brush, to apply your mask. But the reason I use spoon because I'm able to control it and I'm able to press it into the skin so that I get what I'm looking for. Okay, so we are going to wait and relax for it to dry off. Okay. Oh, I'm back with my face dried. It took me like 20 to 25 minutes before it dried. As you can see, my face is looking so weird right now. So I'm just going to peel the mask off my face, and then as you can see right now, my face is looking so white. See that? So bright and so great. So what I'm going to do is to clean the excess mask, the residue on my face, and that I used a wet towel, small wet towel, and I use it to clean the excess mask. So step number 4 or number 5, we did steaming, we did cleansing and steaming, we did exfoliating, mask, a little bit of masking. The reason why you will have to tone if you're doing a complete detailed facial skincare, you have to tone is because after exfoliating there is so much oil stripped off your face, so you want, and then there is imbalance of your pH kind of goes higher because now there is less oil on your face and you don't want to look so dry, so you have to bring back the natural kind of thing to your face. You see right now my face is looking very clean and dry. I want to go on with a toner so that it will balance my pH, at the same time clear the dark spots on my skin. And for the toner that I'm using today is Skin Success Anti-Dark Spot Complexion Toner. This is the one I'm going to use. So I have my cotton. I'm going to pour it onto the cotton pad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it all over my face in a gentle motion. You don't want to be very harsh on your skin, okay? Take your time. And this one doesn't have so much of alcohol because you have already exfoliated your skin. If you use toners that has alcohol, that is alcohol based, what is going to happen is that it's going to strip more oil from your face, and you don't want that. If you have a dry skin, avoid doing too much of exfoliating. When you're exfoliating, use exfoliants that are moisturized base, okay? For dry skin, my skin is kind of a combination to normal kind of skin, so you can see right now that now my skin is not looking very white. So the next step after toning, the next step is moisturizing, and this is the most essential of all the steps in your skincare routine. Don't skip moisturizing. Moisturizing is very, very important. Whether you are exfoliating, you are not doing anything, you have to moisturize your skin morning, evening, okay? So the next step is I'm going to moisturize, and I'll use my normal, if you have a facial moisturizer, you go ahead and use it. I use my body moisturizer because it's for both face and body, and I apply it on the tips of my finger, kind of massage it like that, and then I go into the skin. I work it into my skin. And I try to avoid my under eye because you do not want to. If you realized, we didn't exfoliate our under eye, neither did we mask our under eye. Your under eye texture is very thin, very thin than your normal skin, and you don't want to do anything harsh to that area of your skin.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and I found a way.
Once this is done, the next thing I'm going to do, which is the final step, is now go into my under eye, and that I use eye cream for that. And the one I'm using is Age Miracle eye cream from Ponds. This baby right here, and this is how it looks like. So you put a little bit tiny on your ring finger, very tiny on my ring finger, and with my other finger massage it. And then you go straight under your eye. So you kind of, the reason why you use a ring finger is because the ring finger applies with the tiniest pressure, like very soft pressure, very tiny pressure. It does not put pressure on your skin, and you don't want to put pressure on your eyes, okay? So you work it very gently and nicely, okay? And the final step is serum or essential oil that you want to apply, and the one I use is Fair and White Skin Perfector serum. This, with the serum, I don't apply all over my face. I just apply it on the black where I have black spots, just in that area, and then some few ones here, little ones here, there. And then I'll go on with Vaseline lip therapy for my lips. Yeah guys, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below, so I will know what I missed and what I didn't miss and what to include in my next video. Your opinions, guys, matters to me a lot. So guys, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And lastly, I love you guys so much, and thank you for staying tuned, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much, and please stay safe, stay alive, and I'll see you all in my next video. And until then, don't forget to be your own beautician. Bye bye.